morning mga tropa pits. This is Team Bahay Darnet signing in vlog on. May gagawin na naman tayong panibagong video at mag-home service na ulit si Team Bahay Darnet. Ayan. So ang gusto niya is regular, tapos oil filter. Ayan, oil filter. Yan, so ready na. At may tools. Mayroon pala yung scanner. Yan, tapos daw scanner natin. Kasi pre-scan tuwing may na-PPM si Team Bahay Darnet. So, free lang natin to mga tropa.